How you doing? Today, we're going to talk all about how to make money woodworking. I'm going to share with you what has worked for me. Hopefully you can take it and apply it to your woodworking business and help you make money woodworking also. On this channel, I'm all about helping you grow your woodworking business as well as improving your woodworking skills with simple projects with basic tools. Let's get started. How you doing? I'm Matt with 731woodworks.com. Today, we're going to talk about making money woodworking. I've got some tips for you to hopefully help you out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it so you don't miss any content. Also share it on social media. I'd appreciate it, and hit that thumbs up. If you want to support this channel a little further, there's a join button down below. If you're on PC or desktop, or if you're on mobile, there's a link in the description below. Go click that link to join the channel membership. You get exclusive discounts as well as member perks if you join. If you follow this channel for any length of time, you know over the last couple of months, I've created a series on how to grow your woodworking business and help you make money selling projects. Started with the top 5 woodworking projects that sell for me, and then I've also got 5 more woodworking projects that sell. I got videos on how to sell your woodworking projects. I got videos on how to price your woodworking projects. I got videos on how to sell woodworking on Etsy. I got videos on what I priced all of my projects on the channel. I got an encouragement video on helping you get started woodworking. The goal of all of these videos is to push you into selling this stuff. You can do it. Don't let your doubts take over and stop you from making money. Anybody can do this if you have basic tools and you have the want to do it. All of the videos that I just discussed will be linked in the description below, as well as there'll be a playlist at the end of the video. You can just click on that card, watch all of those videos to help grow your woodworking business. So my first tip on how you make money woodworking is to be consistent. What that means is you have to consistently be working at your business. You have to consistently be building items to sell. You can't just build one project today and then a month later build something else, and then 2 months later build something else and not have any consistency and expect your business to grow. It's not going to happen. You have to get out there and put in the work. I've been at this for almost 4 years. I've worked my tail off. Almost literally. It's almost gone. It's hard work, but hard work pays off. You have to put in the work, have to stay consistent. You have to want it. Get out there and want it. You have to make this stuff happen. You can't sit on the sidelines and expect somebody just to hand you a business that is successful. All successful businesses have work behind them. There's years of work that's gone into that stuff when you see a successful company. There's a picture of an iceberg that has top of it sticking out of the water. It says success. The bottom of it, all of the work that went into it. That is a great illustration on what it takes to build a successful business. Doesn't matter if you're woodworking or selling crafts or full-time job, whatever you're doing, it takes hard work. It takes consistently show up. It doesn't matter if you're starting out broke as a joke like I did and just trying to build up as you go. It takes time. That's okay. Sell that one project, reinvest that money into other tools or supplies, and make another project and sell it. Like I said, I got a video on how to sell woodworking. You can go check that out. Link in the description below. After this video, you need to watch the rest. Stay consistent. Make it a priority that you're going to grow the business. It's not going to happen overnight. There's going to be days where you think, what am I doing this for? Why is this stuff not selling? Hang in there. It takes time. Look at that shiny head. Y'all folks with hair be trying to fix your hair, make it all nice. I just try to make my head shine. You want to grow a business? What have you done to improve your knowledge on business? There's a link in the description below to audible.com. You can get 2 free books if you've never signed up. Go click that. I'm going to suggest 2 books for you. You ready? The first one, it's not really a business book, but it's more about your dreams. Are you trying to grow your dream? If woodworking is your dream, go check out this book. If you have dreams of being successful, of doing certain things, go check out this book. It's one of the best books I've read in a long time. It's called Dream Big by Bob Goff. You go to Audible, get that free audiobook. Link in the description below. The second book I would recommend is Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. That book's all about building your brand and how to become a successful brand. From the day you start your business, you're building a brand whether you want to or not. People are either going to like that brand or they're not. If you build stuff that's not good quality, poor customer service, that's going to be your brand. You don't want that. You want to build a good, successful brand that has good customer service and good quality product. You can't really expect your business to grow if you're not trying to grow yourself. I saw a post on Facebook the other day, absolutely loved it. It said, if they aren't laughing at your dreams, you're not dreaming big enough. I like that. My dream is to take this YouTube channel full time. My dream is to be the biggest woodworking channel on YouTube. Laugh at that, I want you to. Another book you might want to look at is The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People by Stephen R. Covey. Take those 3 books, listen to them or read them, and try to grow from there. Now, don't just stop with those 3. Every month, if you go to Audible, if you get a subscription with Audible, it's like $14 a month. You'll get a new book every month. $14. 14 bucks is all it costs to learn something every month. Listen to one of those books take you 5 to 6, 8 hours of your time. Do that when you're walking the dog. Do that when you're working in the shop. Do that when you're commuting to work. Listen to those books, pay attention to them, try to apply that to your life. We live in such an amazing world. You can listen to somebody else read the book to you and still learn. That's one of the best ways I know to help gain knowledge passively. In other words, you're listening to somebody tell you all about their experiences and help what has helped them be successful, help them achieve a new level, or help them reach a dream. And all you gotta do is listen. For 14 bucks. I have a subscription myself. I listen to it all the time. I listen to tons of books, all kinds. I listen to fiction too, but I also like to incorporate in those business books to help me learn. I don't have a close personal friend who is a good businessman who can guide me in that way. I have reached out to people who have helped me along the way, but at the same time, I'm not the type that's just going to keep bugging them and bugging them and bugging them every time. I want to learn on my own. If you're that way, get an Audible subscription. Use that link down there. It is an affiliate link. If you use it, it'll help support this channel. You don't have to use the link. If you want to just go to Audible and get the subscription yourself, that's perfectly fine with me. I would rather you do that and learn something than I had you not do anything at all. I think a lot of times our own worst enemy is ourself. We don't dream big enough and we don't chase it like it's already ours. You have to want it. You have to chase it. You'll never catch the dream if you don't chase it. Being a business person and being business minded doesn't come to me naturally. That's why I read a lot of business books or listen to them on Audible, especially if I'm in the wood shop. My mind's already on the business as I'm working. Got my earphones in, I'm listening to those audio books. I'm not telling you have to go get an audio book. If you like reading, read the book. If you like listening, listen to the book. But you have to invest in yourself. Grow your business knowledge to learn how to grow a business if you don't know how already. Invest in yourself, invest in your business. A lot of times I have no clue what I'm doing. Doesn't matter if I'm building a new project or if I'm building this business, I'm fumbling along as I go. I'm not gonna fail from lack of trying. I promise you that. I'll learn and I'll be good at it because I'm trying and I want to. I'm not doing this by myself. My wife is a huge supporter of me and this channel and this business. She helps me a lot on the side. You don't even see her doing a lot of the stuff that she's doing, but she does a ton for the business. I've also had mentors along the way that help me, guide me. I seek advice from, whether it be fellow YouTubers, business people. I know I can't do this by myself. I don't think anybody can do a successful business by themselves. They may claim they are. I don't see how they're doing it if you're actually alone in it. It's very hard to do. There's other people out there that'll help you along the way. You reach out to fellow woodworkers, ask them how they're being successful doing what they're doing. If you see them being successful, I'm available on Instagram at 731woodworks. Give me a shout. Happy to help you if I can. A successful business has more than one stream of income coming in. That's something I learned the hard way. You can't just depend on Facebook Marketplace to sell all your products. They change the algorithm and your stuff doesn't show up. It happened. It has happened to me. So I looked at Etsy and to start selling things, and I started getting pretty successful on Etsy. You can watch that Etsy video if you wish. I'll drop a link in the description below. I actually took all my products, my handmade products, off of Etsy because I was staying so busy and I wanted to devote more time to this YouTube channel to make more content for the channel. So I'm taking a break from building things for Etsy. Still building a few things locally, but Etsy is a good platform to go use. It takes a little while to get established on there to start selling products, but if you start an Etsy store, plus you have your local market, that's 2 streams of income you're going to have coming in. There's several other online marketplaces you can try to start selling your projects, whether that be OfferUp or Craigslist or whatever you're using. Diversify. Put that stuff out there so that you get multiple people looking at your projects. If you're going to do that, what I would do is make a collage picture of several projects that you've made and then post that on there saying you make custom woodworking. People will contact you. People will contact me doing that same method. They'll contact me and say, hey, can you make this? They usually snag a picture off of Pinterest and say, hey, can you make this? That's a good way to get yourself out there. Collage pictures, several different things you've made. Don't use other people's projects. I've seen a bunch of my pictures here lately on OfferUp and stuff like that in California. I'm in Arkansas. Come on, people. Don't steal my stuff. Any of the projects on this channel, you're welcome to go build and market as your own. Just don't use my pictures and say you've made it, because you didn't. When you post that stuff online or when you post that stuff on social media, ask your friends and family, would you please share this on your feed? They've got friends you don't got, so they're going to be able to push that to a bigger audience. The more people that get eyes on your projects, the more times they see that, the more they're going to know you're the guy to come to build this stuff. We're talking about diversifying your income. If you look at places like consignment shops, that sort of thing, you can put your projects in, and then when they sell, the business or the storefront gets a commission off of that. That's another good way to get your projects out there, get you some branding. I would hang posters up, have some posters made with pictures of stuff you've made, hang those up on the walls around your project and have your contact information on there, and people can contact you for custom projects. I just thought of that. That's a pretty good idea. There's tons of ways to diversify your income, and the more you can diversify it, as long as you can keep up with the output of the products, the better off you'll be. You don't want to depend on one single source of income to make money woodworking, because in this business that could dry up pretty quick. So you want to diversify it as much as you can. Consider starting a YouTube channel. It's hard. It's hard work being on YouTube. It's a lot of work that goes into every video. It's a lot of work that goes into editing and posting it and learning the channel and learning the algorithm and learning how to do everything. It is a lot of work. Hard work pays off. It's taken me 3.5 years to get to where I am now on YouTube, and I'm just now starting to see the growth. So if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, be consistent when you post your projects. In other words, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever you're doing, make sure you stay consistent, that you're consistently posting. Same thing as consistently building projects for your business. And if you think, well, there's other people who already built that on YouTube, doesn't matter. They don't have your perspective. They don't have what you know. After you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize that. Starting out, the money's going to be really low, but over time, it just continually builds up and it helps another stream of income. You know what time it is. Power tip time. Power tip for this video: if you want to sell your projects, you want to make money woodworking, find a project and make it uniquely yours. Something about that item needs to say, you made it. When people see it, they know it come from you. That's what you want. When you get that, you're onto something. It may take a while before you start getting into that groove, but the only way to get there is consistency. It goes all back to consistency. If you're consistently working at building your craft, building your knowledge, building your business, that will come. But you have to put the work in. Take flags. Let's take flags. I built several flags before on this channel. Some of them are a little bit unique, but most of them kind of look the same. I want you to take a good look at a friend of mine, Jeremy at Twisted Oaks Flag Company. He has a YouTube channel he just started. I'll drop a link in the description below to his YouTube and his Instagram. So I want you to go check out his flag builds. They're like nothing I've ever seen before from anyone. He found it. He's got it down. That's going to be successful for him. Watch and see. Jeremy didn't know me from Adam at all. We didn't know each other. I started seeing his post on Instagram of his unique flag builds. Amazing what he is doing with those flags. I'm just a huge fan of his work. So I started messaging him every time I seen one of those flags, like, oh my gosh, man, that is awesome. He's taken his flag building to a whole nother level from anyone else. He separates himself from anybody else. When I see one of his flags, when I'm scrolling through Instagram and I scroll past his flag, I know it's his before I ever see the username. If you can find a woodworking project that you can turn into yours, something that you can put your spin on and make it uniquely you. Dr. Seuss says there's no one alive who is youer than you. Put your spin on it, make it yours, it'll sell. I built a mallet recently. Put that Honor the Fallen coin in there. Has the fallen officers from 2019 on there. There may be one out there like it, but I've never seen one like this. Never. I got this idea because I had previously built a project that had a coin in it. And so when I was building these mallets, I looked at it, it's like, I can put a coin in that. Make something unique. Don't do the same thing everybody else is doing. It's okay when you're first starting out, learning your crafts to mimic people. That's perfectly fine. We all do that. But as you grow in your skill, make sure that you're doing something that's uniquely you. That'll set you apart more than anything else. That'll help your project sell more than anything else to make them unique. As you're building those projects consistently, up the game a little bit. If you have competition in your area, outdo them. Outdo them with quality. People will pay for quality. They'll also do business with people they know, people they trust. Be that person. So you want to invest in higher quality paint, like Sherwin-Williams Pro Classic, Benjamin Moore Advanced, those type paints. It's going to be $50, $60 a gallon of paint. But your stuff's going to look better and it's going to last longer. Invest in higher quality woods. Use hardwoods. If everybody else is using pine and spruce, go buy some hardwood. Invest in that. You're up in your game. You're making your stuff better than the competition. I'm getting so many messages from people saying, there are so many other people in my area making these same products. What do you think? Make something different or make it out of better materials and market it that way. You have to market this and let people know why yours costs a little bit more or why they should be buying your stuff. It's because it's better. Believe in your product, believe in yourself, and believe in your business. If you don't believe in it, how do you expect the customer to believe in it? I just want you guys to be successful. There's plenty of room for all of us to make money woodworking. There's plenty of room for all of us to have successful businesses. I don't care if the guy next door is making products. Y'all don't have to make the same thing. You don't have to be in competition with each other and not like each other. You can help each other, bounce ideas off each other. Instagram is a perfect place for that. There's thousands of people doing woodworking on Instagram. I'm sure some of them are neighbors. It's okay. We can all get along. We can all use this information and share so that we can all be successful. There's plenty of room. So I'm thinking about making a video called the top 5 mistakes new woodworkers make. If you would like to see that video, I have some ideas in my head, but if you'd like to see that video, comment below what you think the top 5 mistakes new woodworkers are making. What mistakes did you make as a new woodworker trying to grow your business? Hey, click that box right there. That's the Make Money Woodworking playlist. That playlist is going to help you build your business, show you projects that you can sell, and how to sell them. I hope that that information right there is helpful to you. And if you click that box, you're getting that virtual fist bump. If you get value out of those videos or out of this video, comment below and let me know that this is working for you so that I know that I need to keep making videos like this. I appreciate you watching.